Welcome to the 49 View Tech Demo. 49 View can build a 3D house instantly from a standard floor plan image. Step 1 is we import a new floor plan, and once imported we start the conversion process. It only takes a fraction of a second. Our artificial intelligence has computed 3D data for walls, windows, doors, floors, ceilings, and even a guesstimate of furniture and fittings. So, ready for some real-time 3D exploration? Here you have it. In a few seconds we went from downloading a basic 2D floor plan image to this, a real-time, high-quality 3D walkthrough. And you can explore every inch of the space, unlike those clunky 360 photospheres. But this is just the beginning. You might think, okay, but I want to make it my own. I want to personalize it. That's where the real power of 49 View comes into play. Our rule is simple. If you can see it, you can change it. Let's start by painting some walls. We have more than 2,000 real colors that you can buy from real brands. You can also customize the finish. You can choose matte, gloss, satin, anything you like. You can also choose what to paint, the whole house, a room, or even just part of a wall. So let's go a bit over the top just to illustrate the point. Let's paint every wall with a different color. And as a final touch, let's have a feature wall. And in this instance, we've chosen a stylish Camden blend brick wall. There you go. Okay, so painting the walls are good, but we're just warming up. Next are the floors. We have a huge library of flooring materials to choose from. You can spend hours trying out all sorts of flooring. Luxury, modern, classic, affordable, quirky. And we can match your selection with a floor that you can actually buy from the store. But we're still just warming up. So let's liven things up a bit with the ceilings, skirtings and covings. Remember our simple rule. If you can see it, you can change it. This kitchen looks a bit out of date, so we're going to give it a contemporary look. And you can personalize everything. So we're going to conclude with a stylish Nero finish. Okay, but guess what? We can do more, much more. We can completely refurnish the whole property. The first simple thing is to start moving stuff around, like this. See how simple it is? Now let's crank it up a notch. We're going to replace that sofa, choosing from just a tiny selection of our vast furniture library. Okay, we're happy with this one. We'd like 2 of those, please. Great. A modern living room needs to have nice modern lamps, so let's choose a couple. Try this one. And another one. So while we're at it, let's finish it off like this. Let's choose some tables. And add some decorative details. Oh, and one last touch. Let's get rid of that orange table and those chairs. And let's have a cactus and some quirky origami shelves, just because we can. But 49 View is still much more than this. For example, you can visit the property any time of day, any season. And to show you, here is a midsummer's day, evening, and night. And of course at night it gets dark, so let's turn some lights on. These are only a fraction of all the features that 49 View has to offer. We'll conclude this demo with an automatically generated tour of the house. Make yourself at home. So we hope you've enjoyed the 49 View tech demo. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch via email at dado@49view.com.